Guys, that's Tori. And this is Cutie Lemon 4. Number 4. Number 4. Anyway, and it is our 4th video. Cutie Lemon 4. 4th video. I keep saying banana, and that's a problem. And I need to quit saying that. Anyway, if you probably didn't tell, couldn't tell, that doesn't make sense. Reagan's disappearing. Okay, anyway, we're at school with my Allie. Hello, Allie.
Also my Allie.
Our Allie.
Apparently you're Alabama.
Ownage.
My
Yeah.
Alabama.
Alabama. Anyway. Oh, by the way, if you didn't catch that, it was Alabama. It's okay. Anyway, we are at school waiting to get into show choir right there with all those other people. Actually, there's only like one person showing right now, and there's a guy.
Excuse me.
Hi,
Is
sir.
this Miss Hill's room?
Yeah.
Do you know if she's
Yeah.
in yet?
She might be. I'm not really
What's
sure.
Thanks.
Yeah. And I'm sorry about the strange man. No, he's not in there. He's coming back. He's coming back. Okay, well, we have to go. Love you. Bye. Tori.